दहशत इस कदर हावी है कि लोग कोरोना को लेकर तमाम सवाल दिल में पैदा कर रहे हैं और उसके अपने मन मुताबिक जवाब ढूंढ रहे हैं। उसके चलते स्थिति और गंभीर हो रही है। लेकिन अगर सही जवाब चाहिए, कोरोना से मुकाबला करना है, तो देश के 3 बड़े डॉक्टर इस वक्त देश को संबोधित कर रहे हैं। कोरोना को लेकर सीधे चलते हैं और सुनते हैं। गौर कीजिएगा वो क्या क्या कह रहे हैं।
Always wear a mask. That is very important. And you get your test done, and God forbid you're positive. God forbid you're positive. My recommendation is that first you see a doctor, get their opinion. It is very, very important for you to get the opinion from a well-trained doctor who knows how to manage COVID. And it is very important that they may ask you to undergo some blood tests. If it is required, you please do it. Don't panic. COVID is very common now, and it is a problem which can be solved provided you get the medical help at a very early stage and follow all the instruction given by the doctors. Now, there is a possibility you may be asymptomatic. Then the doctors will tell you that stay at home. Yes, please stay at home. Isolate yourself. That's very, very important. Wear a mask and check your oxygen saturation every 6 hours with your own pulse oximeter. I expect every citizen of this country now to, at least every household, to have at least 1 or 2 pulse oximeters, which are freely available, and they are not very expensive. And believe me, they are very reliable. And check your oxygen saturation at least once in 6 hours. And after you check it, again walk for 6 minutes, and then again you check your oxygen saturation. If your oxygen saturation is staying above 94%, no problems. But if it is falling after the exercise, then you need to call your doctor. It's very, very important that you get the right treatment at the right time. That is very, very important. So before I end my talk, I just want to let you know that it doesn't matter whether you're 100% certain that the fever or a body ache, what you have is not due to COVID. Never rest assured. Because today, as far as doctors like me are concerned, any patient complaining of anything in their body is COVID unless proven otherwise. And if you reach the hospital or approach the doctor, consult the doctor on time, appropriate treatment at the right time can save your life. And now I would like to request my colleague Naresh to take it further. Thank you very much. Good luck and God bless.
Good afternoon. This is Dr. Naresh Trehan. So where Dr. Devi Shetty left off is the point that somebody gets the symptoms, gets tested, or gets tested because somebody else in the family has been diagnosed with RT-PCR that they have COVID, or the whole, because today it can be families, whole families who have got infected in the household. So if that is the case, and whoever tests positive, going forward, like Dr. Devi said, the first thing to do is to contact a doctor. There are multiple ways of doing that. You may have your own doctor. You may have a vicinity doctor, or as you may have seen, all of our hospitals, I represent Vedanta, Dr. Shetty does Narayana, that we have apps which says Vedanta COVID app, or all the hospitals have, and all the cities have also actually designed the app, and the government also has an app. So you can get advice on the closest doctor. Let them understand your symptoms and your age and your comorbidities and the severity of your symptoms, and then advise you what to do. So there are 3 possible scenarios that can emerge from here. One is the fact that you are not sick so much that we don't expect you to recover at home, that the treatment can be started at home right away. and monitoring at home can be done, and you have given guidelines of what medicines to take, and the medicines will vary according to the need of the individual. That's why you need a doctor to understand your symptoms and your other comorbidities and other things and then prescribe. So that is what we call home care or home quarantine. In case you do not have enough space in the house to isolate yourself, then we have quarantine centers where one can be admitted and care taken, like isolation there, and also your oxygen and all that can be measured there. So these are places where you can not only be, if you don't have isolation at home, but if you are mid-level symptoms, you can go, and all of our hospitals have established these facilities, quarantine facilities, in hotels or guest houses next to our hospital, where you will be monitored real time on a daily basis. If by perchance things deteriorate, we can always bring you into our hospital. That way the channel is clear that you do not seek a hospital admission if it is not necessary or out of panic. Let the doctor guide you where you belong according to all the questionnaire that you answered. So then if those are people who have drop in oxygen, the CT scan is showing high score, or we all feel that, look, and all the doctors have the protocols, that according to the protocol we feel that you have to be admitted, only then you should be brought into the hospital. So I would like to at this point say there are certain things in behavior pattern which we must do. So you've already been warned about wearing a mask and isolating yourself if you develop symptoms. Then if you are given medicines, you access them from your closest chemist, or there are facilities today for home delivery, where in the package we can deliver you the appropriate medicines, and if you don't have a pulse oximeter, that can be given to you, and all the directions of how to manage yourself, how much to exercise, how much nutrition you need. All that advice will help you to recover rapidly at home or in the quarantine center.